Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're all doing a-okay. And if you're not, don't even worry, this is the place to be if you're not. And even if you are, this is still the place to be. But money back guarantee, I am telling you, you will leave this video feeling in such a good mood. I hope, anyway. If you didn't see by the title, I'm going to school wearing dramatic makeup, and this was inspired by Antonio Garza, that I'm gonna get so probably told off. But that's the fun of it. No, it's not. Because I've woken up at like 6:30 to do this. So let's basically get into it. I'm just going to go do my eyebrows and sort this monstrosity out. Like, do you see that? I'm back and I've just finished my eyebrows. And they're looking very thick. Because I'm just letting them grow out and they're just not looking too good right now. And I don't even want to talk about it. God, it's a bit emotional. I'm just going to prime my eyes with Tarte. I'm not going to be setting that either, just so it's a bit tacky. I'm just going to be taking that red shade there. Today, I actually have 2 exams. Not 1, 2. I've got English. Did you see that shake? My hand ain't cooperating today. I have 1 English exam today and then 1 maths exam. What the hell? My hand won't stop shaking. Sorry. And the English exam is, are y'all ready for this? 2 hours and 15 minutes long. And then the maths one is an hour and a half. I'm just darkening that up with that darker. As you can see, I've winged that out, and now I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of diffuse it at the end. I'm actually really nervous going to school today because when I did this last time, like, we had a day where you can come in literally like whatever you want, but today is just like a normal school day and you're not really supposed to come in with makeup like this. So I just decided I'm just gonna go in anyway and see what happens. I just thought I would say how last time when I went in with this makeup, like, just like basically like this, the teacher, no joke, said to me, one of my teachers went, "Did you do your eyeliner wrong?"
Next question.
And I was just like, no, it's called a cut crease, hun. Come on, speed up, get with the times. She did me dirty. So it's now time to cut the crease with Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not going to be talking because this is like the delicate part of the procedure. That is both the cut creases done, and now it is time to put a shimmer shadow over it. I'm going to be putting this shimmery shade on top of it, the shade called Bronze, out of the Soft Glam palette. And that is the eyeshadow complete. I'm actually just going to explain my makeup journey, and this might not be a surprise, this might be a surprise, but I've actually only been doing makeup since the start of August, which was like 7 or 8 months ago. And I remember I saw someone's video and it was like found it like drugstore foundation review, and I thought, oh, I want to get into makeup. And I literally just did that. I went out and bought a cheap foundation, a cheap concealer, and a cheap eyebrow pencil. And I'm actually gonna throw up some pictures of the first time I ever did my eyebrows. They'll be like here on screen now. And as you can see, they are very thick. They are very, very, very thick. But I feel like we all start from somewhere. You could say I have progressed. Like, my eyebrows are definitely going back to a more of a thick state, because they went, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll know, like, they went for a little bit of a time of being quite thin, and then I decided I didn't really that vibe for my eyebrows, so I decided to grow them back. As you can see now, it was quite like not really a rush decision. I just kind of like decided that I wanted to do makeup all of a sudden. I wanted to, you know, at least give it a go, and I feel like my skills have definitely gotten a lot better since the first few times of doing makeup, and my collection has probably expanded quite a lot since, like, you know, 7 months ago I only had like 3 pieces of makeup, and now I have like at least like 30-40 pieces of makeup. And I actually remember, like, because I'm in year 11 now, and the first time I ever wore makeup into school was the first day back after summer. And I didn't tell anyone except like my close friends that I was coming back in makeup. And I remember seeing like a load, like even like teachers' faces, like most teachers like have never seen like a boy come into school with makeup on before, like a full face at least. So I feel like it was quite a shock for them, but I thought, y'all gonna have to deal with it. And then in December I went to school with eyeshadow on for the first time, and you know, that was the time a teacher asked me, did I do my eyeliner wrong? And I was disgusted, I was disgraced. To be honest, it could have been classed as homophobic, to be honest. Sorry, I'm just saying it how it is. That was a joke. And then in October, I decided to start my channel. And I think the first video I ever did was Tarte Shape Tape vs Makeup Revolution. Check it out, sneaky little plug. Oh my God. I'm gonna throw up on the screen right now the first ever eyeshadow look I did. I think it was just like literally like a pink on my whole lid and then just like dash of gold in the corner. I was so proud of myself. Like if you told me back then that I would have started doing eyeshadow looks like this, I would have been like, no, I'm not. But actually I am. So, and if I'm doing anything wrong, don't hate on me and just comment it in the comments and tell me what I'm doing wrong, so then I can actually improve instead of being hated on. Because I don't have a problem with constructive criticism. Like, if anyone's got constructive criticism for me, literally just go for it, because I was so glad to get some constructive criticism. And if any like boy or girl is like wanting to go into school with makeup on, literally just do it. Like, don't be worried about what other people are thinking, because one, people's opinions don't matter. Like, if you want to do something, like I remember how nervous I was to go into school on like the first day wearing makeup, and I remember how nervous I was because I was like, oh my God, so many people are going to judge me. But like, as long as like you've got your friends by your side and everything, like, I'm literally telling you, you will be fine. And one thing, do not be afraid to break the norm. Like, do you know what I mean? I'm just gonna kind of like cut that with like a bit of concealer. But last time I did this, I went overboard and it legit, it looked good, but it just looked, I'm just gonna put like the tiniest bit down because I know like how much I put last time. I'm just using this Revolution True Gold Pearl Lights highlighter. For lipstick, I'm just going to be adding the Revolution Soph X lipstick. So that is the look all finished. No, it's not actually. I have mascara to put on, so. So that is the look all done, and now it's time to get in my school uniform. Hey guys, OOTD time before I go to school. So just got some basic trousers on, a nice white shirt, purple tie, really pushing the boat out, not my choice though, and a blazer, and then guess what, a full face of makeup. Really going with the aesthetic here. Hey guys, I'm back from school, and you know, if you've got this far, then you have probably just watched that bit where I vlogged about how I had to take my makeup off at school. And to be honest, not really surprised. I kind of did it kind of like, basically it was always at the back of my mind that I might get told to take it off, but I thought, oh wait, no, like a teacher might be chill about it, like they might not care. So I got away with it like in my first exam, because obviously they're not going to pull me out of my like first exam and go, you need to take makeup off. But then I got into my third lesson of the day and they were like, you need to take your makeup off. And I was like, do I though? I was like, but it's not distracting anyone. Like, I don't think anyone cares in this classroom. Like, I've got a few compliments about it, like, yeah, but that doesn't mean I need to go take it off. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not distracting anyone else. And the teacher said, yeah, it is. you need to go take it off. And I went, but why do I need to go take it off? Like, it's not a problem. Like, it's not distracting anyone. It's not literally stopping anyone else's learning. And she was like, if you don't go down there and remove your makeup right now, then I'm gonna have to call like one of the higher up teachers, and they're gonna escort you down there, and you are gonna get put in behaviour room, which is like this like room where like you literally get like trapped like in confinement for like 7 hours. And I was like, is that really how far it's gonna go? So I trotted on down, being escorted by a teacher, and I was like, fine, whatever, like I'll literally take it off if it's that much of an issue. So I took it off, and they were like, thank you, we don't ever want to see you in that makeup again. Just you wait, I'll probably come in with like rainbow eyes, like crazy. So the moral of this story is, don't wake up at 6:30 in the morning to do your makeup for school, because you will probably get told to take it off. But if you know that you're not going to get told to take it off, go for it, huns. Literally go flaunt your eyes. But sadly, I didn't get away with it today. But I think everyone should just, you know, put an F in the comments to, you know, pay respects to me, because I woke up at 6:30 in the morning to do that. And, you know, and you might even be able to see patch the foundation on my face, because let's be honest here, schools only have like £1 Aldi quality makeup wipes. But I did get like literally the lady who was like, oh, like who sent you to get your makeup off? And I was like, blah blah blah. And then she was like, but it looks so good. And I was like, you got it, hon. She was like, it looks so good, like what contour is that? And I was like, Wet n Wild. So, you know, I just want to say shout out to that lady at the desk who was, you know, making me feel a little bit better while I had to take my makeup off. Like this video if you want to see another risky video like this when I go into school with crazy makeup on. And, you know, if you do, leave some comment suggestions about what makeup look I should go into school next with. Follow me on Instagram, it'll be like here. Share this video on Facebook. No one uses Facebook anymore. Share this video on like Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. And then, you know, subscribe to my channel. Bye.